go. This is Bloody Knuckles' messed up version.
See, no wait. You see, Courtney has stopped playing because she's sucking her thumb. She looks
That's nice
like
to look at.
Lycon. And for all you Japanese people.
You baka.
You do it then. You do it then.
He's a baka. Right, Courtney?
Baka.
Okay, now it's her.
Is he a baka?
He's a baka.
He's a baka.
He's a baka. Oh, I landed on my backpack.
Spellage.
Baka backpack.
Hey, if you guys can guess where we are.
Pedophile.
These people are smiling, and they don't look happy at all.
Oh, and then there's that sign over there. You can probably guess by now. What was? Like being really close to Case's face. Wow, that's like scary.
No.
Oh.
Wow. Wow, you completely failed on that, yet that was a win. It was a neutral. They canceled each other out. It's a neutral match. We went into the Twilight Zone.
What's the world coming to when there's no winning or no losing? No winning or winning in that matter.
Everything's equal.
By winning.
By winning.
Are you bipolar?
How about here?
No.
Is it working? It's hurting me that it's hurt more.
Are you bipolar?
More than it's
I
hurting
don't know what that means, but
no. You're supposed to be Charlie Sheen. No, but I'm by winning.
By winning. Total miss. So you're failing too.
Hey. What's up?
I'm neutral, okay? So
Oh, it's the hole in one. It landed in my shoe.
I went to land in her shoes.
That would automatically Case wins. Oh, you did.
10 points. What happens if it landed in my shirt?
What?
That'd be
What happens if it landed in my
scary.
shirt?
That'd be like, ew, Casey.
No, I should do the little.
Okay, I need to practice this.
Oh, it's not gonna go. Oh, no, it's not gonna go.
Say, ow! Sorry. I'm sorry.
Courtney, calm down.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, we're doing this from now on because of your intolerance to this.
It's not my fault.
There you go.
The quarter has a mind of its own. Okay, say bye. Okay. This is our failed attempt of playing Bloody Knuckles with a quarter. Learning how to spin the quarter.